Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the latest in outdoor gear. Today, we're diving into what makes the Coleman Big End Tall Quad Chair the ultimate choice for outdoor enthusiasts. The Coleman Big End Tall Quad Chair stands out for its exceptional stability and durability, designed to support up to 600 pounds with a strong steel frame. It features an oversized seat and large feet for added stability, making it perfect for various outdoor activities like camping, tailgating, or simply lounging in the backyard. The chair includes a draining seat to ensure water doesn't collect, a water-resistant sleeve to protect electronic devices, and is crafted from synthetic and alloy steel materials. It comes with a built-in cup holder, side pocket, and a carry bag for easy storage and transport, making it highly portable. The chair measures 24 inches wide and 19 inches high, providing ample room for relaxation. With its sturdy construction, spacious design, and thoughtful features, this chair is the go-to option for anyone seeking comfort and reliability in outdoor seating. That wraps up our overview of the Coleman Big End Tall Quad Chair. If you're looking for a durable, spacious, and well-designed outdoor chair, this is undoubtedly one of the best options on the market. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more reviews on top-notch outdoor gear. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications on our latest reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things outdoor gear.